Hi, I'm Josh, and this is Cars and Joshy. Welcome to Cars and Joshy. On this video, I'm installing the Hooker BlackHeart transmission crossmember for LS swap G-bodies. This is part number 12656 HKR. Okay, this is the piece that mounts the transmission that's required for the 80E. And this is part number 12647 HKR. This is needed if your G-body did not come with the 200 R4 transmission. There's like this frame rail extension piece that's required. I think it goes on this side. There it is, the Hooker BlackHeart transmission cross member for LS swap G-bodies that are running a 4L60, T56, whatever. Works with all of them, just has a few different brackets required for the 4L80, which is what I'm running. And so that's the stock mounting spot. But since I had the Turbo 350, I had to get these extension brackets, and now got it all mounted up. So it should be all good now. So now I can actually, because of this, I can't box in all the way up to here, but I can start right here and then do it the rest of the way there, or I can make something between here and there. I don't know if I'm gonna do that though. Alright, thanks for watching Cars and Joshy. Once again, if you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button.